It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Welcome to Unacademy Ascent YouTube channel. This is K Umamaheswara Rao. Unacademy is conducting masterclass practice series, a free special class series, altogether 10,000 practice questions per game in CS, electrical, EC, mechanical, civil, and chemical engineering. On Unacademy FR YouTube channel, YouTube sessions on basic concepts every Friday, intermediate concepts on every Saturday, advanced concepts on every Sunday, knowledge fight on every Monday, tests on every Tuesday. Unacademy is conducting free live combat, India's largest weekly competition for gate. Access your gate preparation in 60 minutes. Challenging and original gate questions by best educators at Unacademy. Take it live, compete the best, super fast and fun with All India Live Leaderboard. Identify, improve your weak areas with through video solutions. Unacademy is announcing new batches. Eval batch for Gate 2022, Ascent batch for Gate 2023 in Computer Science and Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, and Civil Engineering. In Plus subscription, you have live classes, crash courses, weekly tests, doubt solving sessions, trying to grow batches. On Iconic subscription, you have personal coach, study planner, study ghost sessions, personalized test analysis, dedicated doubt clearing sessions, dedicated doubt clearing instructors, preparatory study material. Either for plus subscription or iconic subscription, use code KUR75. Today I would like to discuss on practice session on mathematical logic. Unacademy is a perfect study partner for GATE and ESC. Mathematical logic. The statement P implies Q implies P is equivalent. First option. P implies Q. P implies P join Q. P implies P with Q. P implies P implied by Q. Now, observe. P implies Q implies P is equivalent to negation P join Q implies P. That is negation Q join P. That is negation Q join P join negation P. Now, negation Q join P join negation P is tautology. Negation Q join tautology is tautology. So, P implies Q implies P is a tautology. Now, P implies P join Q is equivalent to negation P join Q. That is negation P join P join Q. That is tautology join Q. That is also tautology. Therefore, P implies P join Q is also a tautology. That's why P implies Q is equivalent to P implies P join Q. So second option is correct. Next problem. Contrapositive of P implies Q implies R is logically equivalent to P implies Q implies R. Second option. Q implies R implies negation P. P join Q implies R. Q implies R implies P. Now, contrapositive R. P implies Q implies R is negation of Q implies R implies negation P. Further, this is equivalent to negation of Q implies R is negation of Q implies R join negation P. Negation of Q implies R is Q implies R join negation P. So now this is equivalent to Q implies R can be written as negation P join Q implies R. That is P implies Q implies R. That is contrapositive of the given statement. So first option is correct. Next problem. Negation of P implies Q is P meet negation Q. Negation P join Q. Negation Q implies negation P. P join negation Q. Now we have to calculate negation of P implies Q. Negation of P implies Q is negation of negation P join Q. That is nothing but by De Morgan's law. Negation of negation P meet negation Q. Negation of negation P is P meet negation Q. So finally, negation of P implies Q is equivalent to P meet negation Q. So correct answer is P meet negation Q. Next problem. The only statement amongst the following that is a tautology. Option A. A meet A join B. A join A meet B. A meet A implies B. Implies B. B implies A meet A implies B. Now, observe here, the only statement amongst the following is a tautology. Now, I am verifying A meet A join B is policy when A is policy. A join A meet B is policy when A is policy, B is policy. And B implies A meet A implies B is policy when A is policy and B is tautology. And therefore, I am verifying option C. Therefore, A meet A implies B implies B equal to A meet negation A join B implies B. That can be written as equivalent to A meet negation A join A meet B by using distributive property implies B. That is A meet B implies B. That can be written as that is equivalent to negation of A meet B join B. That is equivalent to negation of A meet B meet negation B. That is equivalent to negation of A meet B meet negation B. That is equivalent to negation of A meet B meet negation B is a fallacy. Negation of A meet a fallacy uses fallacy. Negation of a fallacy is equivalent to tautology. Therefore, you can write. Therefore, A meet A implies B implies B is a tautology. Understood? Next problem. The statement negation of P implies and implied by Q is first option. Equivalent to negation P implies and implied by Q. a tautology, a fallacy, equivalent to P implies and implied by Q. Now, the given statement, negation of P implies and implied by negation Q, negation of P implies and implied by negation Q is equivalent to negation of P implies negation Q mean negation Q implies P, that is equivalent to negation of negation P join negation Q mean Q join P, that is equivalent to negation of negation P join negation Q join negation of Q join P, that is equivalent to P meet Q join negation P meet negation Q, that is equivalent to P meet Q join negation Q meet negation P. By applying distributive property, P meet Q join negation Q meet P meet Q join negation P, that is equivalent to P join negation Q meet Q join negation Q meet P join negation P meet Q join negation P, that is equivalent to negation Q join P meet tautology meet negation P join Q. Finally, this is equivalent to Q implies P meet P implies Q. Q implies meet Q implies P meet P implies Q is nothing but P is implies and implied by Q, that is equivalent to P implies and implied by Q. So the correct answer is last option. Next problem. Let PQR be three statements. The P implies Q implies R if and only if P P meet Q implies R is option A. Tautology. Option B. Contradiction. Option C. Fallacy. Option D. None of the above. Now, we can solve this problem very easily. P implies Q implies R. Is equal to negation P join Q implies R. That is equal to negation P join Q implies R is negation Q join R. That is equal to negation P join negation Q join R. That is equal to negation of P meet Q join R. Negation of P meet Q join R is P meet Q implies R. The given statement is a tautology. Therefore, you can confirm that the given statement is a tautology. Understood? Next one. Let PQR be three statements. Then P implies Q implies R is equivalent to option A. P meet negation Q meet R. P meet negation Q join R. P meet Q meet negation R. P meet negation Q meet negation R. Now, P implies Q implies R can be written as negation P join Q implies R. That is equivalent to negation of negation P join Q join R. That is equivalent to P meet negation Q by De Morgan's law join R. That is given in option B. Therefore, option B is correct. Understood? Unacademy is a perfect study partner for GATE and ESE. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in civil engineering. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in mechanical engineering. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in computer science and engineering. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in production engineering. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in engineering sciences. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in electrical engineering. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in ECE. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in chemical engineering. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in environmental science and engineering. Thank you.